ihithuritie githima kieru gya gukorwo gikirutwo hinya wa thitima wa gikiro kia 22 ithimi-ini cia thitima gwetwika undu uyu uhithuritie kuria kauntiini ya Baringo na ni githima kioikaine ta Paka kuria kauntiini ya Baringo na guthondeka hinya wa thitima ni kurerikana ni gukorwo gukiongerereka ringi tukona ni guriko na thitima ya raithi guku bururiini na uhoro uyu ugagikirwo mukonde ni cabinet secretary wa hinya wa thitima guku bururiini oro hamwe na maguta niwe David Chirchir.
We've just witnessed the opening of well number 8 or where we've just come from, and that well is discharging at an average of what would otherwise be 22 megawatts. And so as we continue investing and getting this kind of hits, 20 megawatts per well, it really profiles Kenya in the right position as an investment destination. So we
power that is generated from Paka and the other sites around this place to be evacuated either towards the western part of the country, towards the source, and also to be evacuated back to Lesuk and go down to Suswa. So that's what Ketraco is planning to do. We are currently coming to the tail end, and we hope by December we'll have financial closure so that we spend the next 2 years and constructing the line, and hopefully by January 2026 we'll have a transmission line.
My name is Alex Washira, Principal Secretary, State Department for Energy. The reason why we brought the two MDs together today is to ensure that we plan well. We ensure that by 2026, 2027, 2028 moving forward, we do have ready lines to evacuate power that will be generated from Paka. This is our next all-carrier frontier.
My name is Felix Kiplagat Mayo, Deputy Governor, Baringo County. The county, we are proud to be part of the energy-producing counties. And this is a big achievement to be able to supply power to this nation. We look forward to increasing the cost, increasing the power, the size of power in this country, and hence we'll be able to reduce also the cost of power.